Hello, another day, another review. Third time ko na magstay sa iHotel para this time, ibang room yung binook ko. Ito yung lounge and reception ng hotel. So, dito din sinaserve yung coffee every morning. Check-in time is 3 p.m. Pero kapag available yung room, pwede na mag-check-in. Then, check-out time is 12 p.m. By the way, may security deposit dito at ibabalik naman na pan-check-out. Yung na-assign na room sa akin is located on the 6th floor. So, pagpasok nyo ng room, makikita nyo agad tong mirror. And then, meron din silang provided na dental kit and slippers. And meron din ditong hanger. So, ito yung clothes rack. Tsaka meron din ditong trash bin. Then, on the left side from the door, so nandito yung TV and then yung lagay ng key card. Meron din provided na mug and then electric kettle. At saka meron din mini fridge. Meron ding table and chair. Yung room na binook ko is standard queen room. So, yan. Merong 1 queen size bed. As you can see, merong 4 pillows, 2 towels, and yung blanket. Alam niyo guys, sobrang lambot ng blanket. Ito naman yung bedside table and then meron din ditong aircon. Check naman natin yung toilet and bath. As you can see, merong tissue, merong rug, and then try natin yung pressure ng flush. Ayan, so okay naman. Next is yung bidet. Okay din yung water pressure. Next naman, check natin yung water dito sa faucet. Okay naman. And meron din palang mirror dito. So, ito naman yung shower area. So, meron na ditong provided na shampoo tsaka shower gel. And ito naman yung water pressure. So, hindi ko siya masyadong nilakasan kasi baka mapasa ako. So, yeah, if you like this room, you can book it via Klook using my Klook promo code CandyKlook for discount. Maganda yung location ng hotel kasi malapit siya sa restaurant, sa office, sa school, sa mall, and sa transportation.